Good day to all employers. I am Edeline Banzuela, 37 years old. I am married and a proud mother of 3 children. I have 2 years experience as a hotel cleaner in Philippines. I also have 4 years experience in Dubai, United Arab Emirates with different employers, all of which were complete 2 years contract. Additionally, I have 3 years experience of in Hong Kong as a domestic helper and a nanny, where I have been caring for a newborn baby, and I am currently here in Almaty, Kazakhstan looking for a job. I am skilled in household chores including cleaning, cooking, washing clothes, ironing, taking care of newborn, looking after children, car washing, and grocery and marketing. I have good understanding in English and consider myself as a loving caregiver. I am a hardworking woman who is flexible with all the tasks assigned to me. I assure you that I will take care of your children as they were my own. And if you choose me to hire me, I promise to honor my contract and remain with your family as long as you need my service. Thank you and may God bless all of you.